Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have a plus square root of 9 is equals to a, and we solve this problem for all the values of a. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further we solve this problem uh, for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem from first method. And in the first method, uh, here here I can gives you the reason why we solve this problem for two methods. So to solve this problem for first method, the reason is that if in your exam the question statement is that you need to find the values of a, so in that case you just do the first method. But if in your exam the question statement is that you need to determine the solution set of this problem, in that case you directly move toward the solution set of this problem. So here if you see directly in the question statement, it is not easy to find the values of a, but here I can give you a nice technique in which you can easily get the values of a. So for this, first we rewrite this equation as this is a plus square root of 9, and square root of 9 becomes 3 is equals to a. And now we take squaring on both of the sides, and when we apply squaring, it will be written as a plus 3 whole square is equals to a square. And in the next step, here we use the nice algebraic formula. You know about that. If we have x plus y whole square is equals to x square plus 2 times of xy plus y square. So after applying this nice formula to the left hand side, it will be written as so this will becomes here a square plus 2 times of a into 3 plus 3 square, and this whole equation is equals to a square. And now here in the next step we have this is a square plus 3 times 2 becomes 6a plus this 3 square becomes 9, and we move this a square in the left hand side and it will becomes minus a square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So this is minus a square, this is plus a square are cancelled out by each other, and we get 6a plus 9 is equals to 0. And now here our target is to get the values of a. So for this we move this plus 9 to the right hand side, and it will become 6a is equals to minus 9. And for removing 6, we need to divide both of the sides by 6. So when we divide both of the sides by 6, it will be written as 6a divided by 6 and minus 9 divided by 6. So this 6 and this 6 are gone, and we get here our a is equals to, here we need to cancel both of these two terms with the table of 3, and we get 3 times 2 becomes 6 and 3 times 3 becomes 9, and we get the value of a is equals to minus 3 over 2. So this is the value of a which we get here in the first method. And now in the next step we need to verify that is this value of a be the solution, or is this value of a be the extraneous root. So for verification of this value, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is a plus square root of 9 is equals to a. And here we substitute the above value of a on both of the sides, and we check its behavior. So when we put this value here, it will becomes minus 3 over 2, plus we know that square root of 9 becomes 3 is equals to, this is also minus 3 over 2. And further in the next step, we need to multiplying both of the sides by 2. So when we multiply both of the sides by 2, it will be written as 2 multiplied by minus 3 over 2 plus 2 multiplied by 3 is equals to 2 multiplied by minus 3 over 2. And now further in the next step, we have this 2 and this 2 are gone, and we get here minus 3 plus this is 2 times 3 becomes 6 is equals to, this 2 and this 2 are also gone, and we get here minus 3. So this is minus 3 plus 6 becomes 3 is equals to minus 3. And you see here This is 3 is equals to minus 3. This means that both of the sides are not equal. So if both of the sides are not equal, this means that the value of a is equals to minus 3 over 2 is not satisfied our given question statement. So we call that a equals to minus 3 over 2 be the extraneous root of the given equation. So it is the extraneous root because it does not satisfy our given question statement. And further in the next step, we conclude about the solution set of this problem, and finally conclude about that this question has no solution because we cannot get any value of a which is satisfied our given question statement. So this is the final conclusion about the solution set of this problem. And now here we again solve this problem uh, for second method. So for second method, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is a plus square root of 9 is equals to a. So our second method be the very straightforward and quick method, so that here we quickly determine about the solution set of this problem. And here we move this a to the right hand side, and we know about that the square root of 9 becomes 3 is equals to a minus a, and we easily get the value of 3 is equals to 0. So this shows that both of the sides are not equal, and if both of the sides are not equal, this means that here we cannot get any value of a which is satisfied our given question statement. So here we finally conclude about that this question has no solution. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.